Okay, so welcome to Sway Basics. If this is completely new for you, I promise that it is easy and it honestly just takes some time with playing around with things and trying things and kind of trial and error in order to get going. But everything that you're going to be asked to put in this semester is very basic. So either a PDF or a video link or a photograph that you have uploaded to your computer. All very, very easy to do, very minimal, so you don't have to be super creative, you don't have to be extra fancy. Just get the basics in there that you need, and you will hopefully see just through this mini tutorial really how easy it is to make a sway. So for starters, you will go to your waffle in Office 365 and you'll click on sway, okay? And that gets you to a sway or your sway homepage. And there's two tips that I will tell you here. If it feels easier for you to start with a PowerPoint and get everything that you want to say or have onto a PowerPoint, then you can do that. And then you're going to click Start from a document, and you're going to choose your PowerPoint file, and you're going to upload that, and it will automatically create a sway for you that you will just then need to edit. So if that seems more manageable, like to get your theme and your style and your text and all that kind of stuff in, go for it. That way is easy. If you want to start it yourself and kind of play around with it, just start a blank sway. And you will see it really walks you through everything. So here you're going to put your title. And you can choose accents and fonts. If you want to have a background photograph, you would choose here and simply select your background. You can search on the internet for literally whatever you can think of that you might like to have for a background. It will automatically pull it up for you. You then just click it and click add, and it's there. Okay, it's in your sway. And so this part is super, super easy. Remember the tip I talked about in class, which is storyline is what you're seeing, okay, and how you're creating it. And design is what you're going to see when you go over here, okay, and what everyone else is going to see when you send the link. So it's just that easy. Then what you're kind of going to always want to do is look for the plus sign. And so in this case, I had lost the plus sign because I had opened up kind of the larger card and was looking at that. So I simply clicked outside the box and it brings it right back. Okay. So another plus sign will give you the very next options. Okay. So for a heading, when your sway headings are due, you are going to just simply type in the headings that you're required to have. You type it in, you push enter, it gives you another card that's exactly the same. This is a subheading card, so it's a little bit smaller, so I'm going to actually remove that now, and I'm going to do another regular heading. First level heading, so visual documentation. Okay, we're there. So once you're ready to actually add something like a piece of visual documentation, for example, you would simply choose the plus sign again, and then you could select an image if it's on your computer. You could select upload if it's something that you're bringing from your device. If you wanted to search the internet for an image, you could. If you wanted to select here, like there's so many different ways of doing it depending on where you have it saved, if it's in a folder, if it's in a file, if it's on the internet, all very, very easy, okay? And so then what you're gonna do is you're gonna simply upload. Let's see if we can find something that might be representative of a visual documentation. I've typed in preschool artwork, and there you go. I get something that a preschooler made. Okay, so I click it, click add, there it is. And I could type my, whatever my summary is of that visual documentation there. Okay, if you ever want to get everything closed and out of your way, just simply click outside the box, and it's going to bring you back to your home page at any time. If you want to see how it looks and how things are going, you're going to go back to design. Okay, and you're going to see it again. You're going to see your sway with everything on it. Okay, so once you have created your parent questionnaire, you're going to simply save it on your computer and upload it here. If you have visual documentation, same thing. You can save it to your computer, take a picture of it with your phone and email it to yourself and save it to your computer or your phone, and then you're just simply going to upload it. Okay, so I promise it's easy. Depending on the type of file that you have or you're adding. If you happen to want to insert a video, you can come back over here to insert, go to video, and then it's going to give you an option for videos. If there's something specific that you're wanting or a specific YouTube link, for example, that you want, you would just simply paste that YouTube link right here, and it will bring up that actual video that you're looking for. When you're ready to put it in, super easy. You can click on it and click add, or you can simply drag it to wherever you would like to have it in your sway, and it will go. And then when you look at your design, it's embedded into your sway and it will play automatically when you click on it. Okay, so you don't have to be super creative. You don't have to be super technical, guys. I just created a sway with a background, one document in it, a video, and what, 2 or 3 headings in like however long this video is, a couple minutes. Okay, so hang in there, trial and error. If you break it, you can fix it, I promise. If you want to do things differently, you can add lots of different settings here and kind of play around with your colors and your accents and all kinds of stuff. And so just keep that in mind. The plus sign is always what you're looking for. If you want to try cool things like stacking something, you could put another content here, and then try to stack it and see what that does and how it looks once you get back to your design. And so you'll see stacking means it puts 2 things next to each other. Okay, so it's not hard, I promise. You'll do an amazing job, and I'm super excited. If you want to do a Zoom for sway questions or need some tips, let me know. We can schedule a Zoom. But the other thing I will remind you of is as you submit things along the way, you will receive a grade for them. So when you submit your parent questionnaire, you're going to get a grade. When you submit your visual documentation, you're going to get a grade. And so all the way through, as you've gone through your sway, you are going to know how many points you've received on each item and how you're doing on your sway all the way through. If there's edits that need to be made or changes that need to happen, you can simply do those before you submit your final sway at the end of the semester, and then you'll receive a revised grade. So I hope you guys have fun and enjoy this process and learn a lot. And again, I'm here to support. So if you have questions, give it your best shot, and then I can certainly chat and help you brainstorm and troubleshoot if needed. Good luck and have fun.